So today, guys, I'm changing coil plugs and spark plugs on RX 350 2008. Okay, so I got this new spark plugs in here, 5325. That's the part, and this is old spark plugs. They actually look not so bad, you know, but car has right now 150,000 miles on it, so I guess, and it's original spark plugs, so I guess it's time for them to go, you know. So the biggest problem I had in here is to remove, actually everything was pretty simple, like those front ones, of course the easiest ones, and what I noticed, there is a clip in here. It breaks as soon as you push on it, you know, trying to get this plug out. It breaks right away, and it broke on all three of them. So there's nothing you can do, I guess, about it, unless maybe, I don't know, maybe you condition this plastic somehow and then you press on it and then it's not gonna break, but they all broke. But you know, they hold tight, so I hope they're not gonna disconnect. It's not gonna break in the middle of the desert. So the most problem was because right now you can see spark plugs, I mean the coil plugs. They're right here, 1, 2, 3. So all you have to do is just remove this bolt from this holder, the harness holder, and I guess I can move this harness, you know, to remove this coil plug. This one, the air intake, you know, I left this hose connected from the brake cylinder. I don't know, it's probably vacuum inside, I don't have any idea, but I left it on and just moved it to the side. Also the throttle body is right here. Okay, I left those hoses attached and moved it to the side. Okay, you don't have to disconnect them. So this is one, and this one in the back of this boy. So you look, when it's on the engine, you see it like that. So it's 4 bolts in here with a hex head. That's easy. This is 10 millimeters bolts on this 2 sides. That's easy, and then it's not moving. So all you have to do is remove this one, this in the back right here. Okay, so when you look at this intake manifold, it's right here in the back. So this one, it's not a problem. It's I believe it's 12 millimeter. So I remove that, not a problem. But this boy right here, this is real pain in the butt to remove. It's all the way in here. You see behind the coil plug right there, there's a thread for this bolt. So that was right here. Okay, it's blocking this coil plug when it's on, so you have to remove this. And to remove a bolt from this part, so from the bracket going into the air manifold, that's a problem, but you know, you can do it. And that's it, you know, that's the biggest problem, I believe, to do. I just gonna leave you this picture, guys, so you see how it looks like disassembled. And just to put it back, just remember, you know, which hose goes where, and just put it back. You know, that's not supposed to be that hard. Okay, and also this top portion, there's a tray in here, like a water collecting metal tray with the windshield wipers assembly, and all the mechanism stays right there, so that you know, you have to disassemble. There's plenty of videos how to, you know, take those out. All the bolts you can see, so basically take all the bolts out and take the assembly out. Okay, hopefully it was helpful for you. Sign up for the channel. Okay, soon we're gonna have a big project on Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna do a custom rollover bar, so you're gonna like it. Okay, until next time, bye.